Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. With sunshine in the name, how could it not be perfect for summer? Today I'm making this easy party punch recipe which is bubbly and packed with fresh fruit flavors. This easy recipe is perfect for iftar, summertime, breakfast, brunch, or just whenever. So let's go and make it happen. So for this easy recipe, first take a big pitcher, then add some orange juice. Then I'll be adding small cans of pineapple juice. Then I'll squeeze some fresh lemon juice in there. Mix up all the juices and then it's time to add some strawberries. I just chop them coarsely and add it in the juice. Then add cans of 7-Up or Sprite. You can add some club soda as well. Then I decorated my cup. I just dipped the rim in some lemon juice. Just drip off the excess and dip in some granulated sugar, and I added a little bit of pink sugar in there too. That's it. You can keep this glass in the fridge to chill. And then I just decorated with some fresh strawberry. Just pour the juice over ice and your easy peasy sunshine berry punch is ready to serve. I don't know what I like more, the drink or the fun fruit on the glass. It's fun refreshing drink and perfect for any age. For such simple party punch, this is loaded with flavors. And please remember me and my family in your prayers this Ramadan. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, click on the links to enjoy more recipes like this.